Veeam Games Inc. has a large and growing number of workloads across both Mountain View and Ottawa locations. It's very important that all these workloads are protected and to the correct service level agreement. Being bronze, silver, or gold, this will require the correct selection criteria for adding workloads to backup jobs. Which of the following will deliver best? A dynamic selection option, helping to ensure workloads are not missed and protected to the correct service level agreement. Okay, let's see, we have 4 options. Host and cluster, buying a service level agreement at the host level. Host level seems a little bit optimistic here, right? We probably have something like DRS, VMs moving around. That's not a serious way to do things. Let's see, virtual machines. Individually selecting virtual machines to be included in correct service level agreement job. No, because we had this requirement here that they must be dynamically grouped that we talked about earlier. Data stores, defining service level agreement per data store. That could potentially work, but what if we have mixed VMs on the data stores? That's not really clear if that's the case or not. So if you want to be certain, I would go with tags, right? That way we can actually dynamically do this, even if they are on different hosts, different clusters, different data stores. So that would be my recommendation here.